Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I want you to know that I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you're all doing well. And please, if you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I'd really appreciate it. I'm just inching my way up to 1,000, slowly but surely. But anyway, I just want to say thank you, and let's get into this bag. So this comes to me from Diamondartgift, and let's see what I have. Alright, so this, I got a blue pen. Now I have one of these, I think in, let me see, what color do I have? Purple, of course. But now I have a blue one. And this is $1.99 on Diamondartgift, and it just is a single placer pen right there, and it is just very shiny, and I just love these balls up here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're all just different colors. But it's different, and I like it. And for $1.99, it's not bad. And I apologize for the shaking. The boys are under the table playing. So I'm just going to set that right there. Alright. So the other thing that I got. Now, this is a large canvas, and they folded it, which I'm not real thrilled about, but I don't believe it messed it up. If I can find, oh my gosh, here it is, okay. I don't know why I have been having such an issue lately trying to open these things. I think they have it in 2 bags. Maybe? Yeah. Okay, so alright, so here is the toolkit. So you get a white tray with a spout. You get a big old square thing of wax. You get a pair of metal pointy tweezers. And it comes with, you know what, let me just open this. Let me take this out. So it's going to come with a, well, that's not even a thin placer, or is it? Yeah. Looks like a 4. It's going to have a squishy, blue squishy, comfort grip, whatever you want to call it. It's got a clear, sparkly pen. And then it looks like that might be a 10 placer. Maybe. Yeah. Possibly. And then, like I said, a great big old thing of wax. And that's the dark pink wax, even. Alright, let me get that back in here. So that's a pretty decent toolkit. Alright, I'm going to pull this up some. Alright, so we have, oh, this is a square. I didn't realize that. So we have got a lot of bags, and they're just thrown in there. But it does have the DMC number on, well, has the DMC number on the bag and how many drills is in the bag. It also has that this is a 50 by 50, and then it has the canvas number on there. I'll still put, you know, what it is on there though. That's a lot of drills, but they look good. And the colors look good. Some greens, a lot of blues. That's a big old bag of black. Let's see. Yeah, that's a big old black bag of black. And the blue. This kind of puts me in mind of if you have been diamond painting for a while. If you remember the Hurricane diamond paintings, that's what this reminds me of. The way that it's bagged up. Which I never had any issues with the Hurricane. I know some people did. And I know there for a while they kind of stopped production, I think. And I could be totally wrong. But I know they were having issues with their drills. But then they came back and everything was peachy. But I didn't have any issues. And I may have, you know, started once they had gotten everything squared away. But I liked Hurricane. So the canvas, let me move this. The canvas actually feels like cloth. And it is poured glue. Now, this is kind of glaring, but this is the image that I got, and it has 48 colors. It has a schematic on the top right with a thumbnail. I am going to show y'all the thumbnail. It has the DMC on here, and it also tells you how many drills that you're going to need to complete that color. And we're looking at numbers, symbols, and letters. Okay. And then we have, very sticky, but then we have also got the schematic over here on the bottom left with a thumbnail. And if you can see, it is very clear, and they have light. If you can see, they have the light letters, symbols on the dark background, and then they have the dark symbols, letters on the lighter backgrounds. So that's good. So yeah, I think this is from Hurricane. Now I do know that this is from an artist, But I believe, and I could be completely wrong, I do know that I think this is the artist that took and let a bunch of her images go public. And if I'm wrong, somebody please let me know down in the comments. I did not search this because I do know that this is an artist. Okay. I cannot remember her name. Somebody tell me. But I know that these are licensed. But I think this is the lady that let her stuff go public. I don't know. I've not been keeping up with this stuff anymore. I used to try to keep up with all of them, but I quit doing it because it was just like, it's like every time you would go and see something that wasn't, I don't want to step on any toes, and I believe in paying artists. I believe in paying them for their work. I don't like stolen artwork, and if I have just took something, please let me know. But I'm thinking this is one that is now public domain, because I've seen it a lot. But I can't think of her name, and it's about to bug me. I'm sitting here, I've got two things going on in my head at the same time. But I'm almost positive that this is a public thing now. But anyway, what I was trying to get at was, it's like you cannot keep up with everything anymore, because it's like about time that you know who is and who isn't. The ones that isn't anymore are, if that makes sense. It's like you see an image of a unicorn. Somebody drew it, okay? And then it's like the next thing you know, it's on one of the big sites. And then now it's like, oh, you can't get that anymore because it's on one of the bigger sites. So it's like, ugh. It's kind of like one of those, you know, damned if you do and damned if you don't kind of situations, you know. But it's, I liked it and I wanted it. But I'm pretty sure that it is safe. But if it's not, please somebody let me know. Okay, so that's my rant for this one. But I love it. And on Diamondartgift, this was $13.99, and it is called Doll with Big Eyes Holding Wolf. Okay? And it is square, and it is a 50 by 50. And like I said, there is 48 colors in it. She is beautiful. You can see a lot of the detail. I think if it was smaller, you probably couldn't, because it is just a teeny tiny bit pixelated, but I think a 50 by 50 is good. And I think once you lay down the drills, especially with it being square, the detail is going to come out and she's going to look really good. So you can see that she has her little wolf pup, and then she's got her little, if you can see, she's got her little ankle bracelet there. She's got her feathers in her hair with the turquoise. You can see the turquoise color in her hair. She's got her wings, all the blues in the background. I love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah. And then, like I said, the pen was $1.99. So I just want to thank Diamondartgift for letting me show this to y'all, for sending this to me. I really totally appreciate it. Beautiful drills. I don't see anything wrong with these drills. The colors are gorgeous. Great toolkit. And right now they have got 70% off their shipping, and it is buy 3 and you get 2, or no, buy 3 and you get a free gift of their choice. Not your choice, their choice. So pretty much it is, if you buy 3, they're going to throw 1 in free, I think. So, yeah, y'all go check them out. I will leave a link to this and to the pin in my description box, and that way y'all can go check this out. So, alright, until my next video, please have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.